Certainty is the bedrock of modern business operations. In an era of grid volatility and rising costs, energy independence is no longer an option. It is a necessity. The ultimate answer for commercial and industrial hybrid inverters, now presented with even greater power. Deye 100 and 125 kilowatts hybrid inverter, delivering energy certainty for your business. Dual 100 amperes charge and discharge ports, supporting multiple cell configurations and enabling flexible capacity expansion, ensuring seamless integration with diverse battery architectures and system configurations. Compatible with Deye GEF 240 and 256 battery cabinet series, enabling rapid outdoor deployment. This hybrid inverter features 10 MPPTs and supports 20 string inputs. Each MPPT supports up to 42 amperes input current, compatible with 21 amperes high current PV modules. With 200% PV oversizing capability, it allows excess energy to simultaneously power loads and charge the battery. With up to 98.7% DC to AC conversion efficiency, it ensures minimal energy loss. In off-grid mode, it supports continuous AC overload and 1.5 times peak output for stable performance under fluctuating loads. Up to 10 units can be connected in parallel, delivering a total capacity of 1.25 megawatts for large-scale commercial and industrial applications. Its AC coupling capability supports retrofitting existing grid-tied PV systems into energy storage systems, enabling excess energy storage and reliable uninterrupted backup power for critical loads. Under AC coupled mode, additional PV modules can also be integrated to further increase power generation capacity. Deye hybrid inverter features UPS-level backup capability, ensuring stable operation of electrical equipment during outages or grid fluctuations. It also supports diesel generator integration with automatic start and stop control. 4 regions with time-of-use pricing. Deye 100 and 125 kilowatts inverter supports up to 6 customizable charge and discharge strategies to optimize energy use. It maximizes PV power and off-peak electricity utilization to reduce waste and enhance economic efficiency. 4 regions with dynamic pricing. It supports AI-based load analysis to forecast generation and consumption, and automatically adjusts charge and discharge strategies in response to price changes to optimize energy usage. This intelligence is powered by Deye Cloud, a smart energy management platform that enables real-time remote monitoring, cloud-based control, and advanced energy optimization based on time, battery SOC, and electricity pricing. Deye new 100 and 125 kilowatts hybrid inverter, your partner in the future of commercial and industrial energy storage.